Hey guys, so today we are doing a Kim K wet look. And of course, I already did my foundation and now I am filling in my brows to make them a little bit darker. In Kim K's wet look, it looks like she made really dark brows. So I just want to make sure that these are a little bit darker and a little bit more elongated. So I'm just filling them back in and making sure they look super sharp. We are going to contour our face with some Hoola bronzer. I'm just doing this cute little fishy face. If you already know where your contour will be, don't do this face because it's going to cause wrinkles over time. I'm just doing this to show you guys in the video where your cheekbones layout is. Ta-da! So I kind of put a little bit too much contour. So I want to go back in with a blending brush, a really clean blending brush, and we're going to blend out this contour so it doesn't look so harsh and so exaggerated, even though that's what we want. But we definitely don't want chunks of contour like I have on my face right now. And then I'm just taking this same contour down to my jawline. I just want to show you guys right here, I have this little red mark on my earlobe because the way I sleep is just really awkward and it creates these red little bruises on my earlobes all the time. And I'm not wearing earrings while I sleep, by the way. So I'm taking my Tartelette palette right here and going in with this nude brown color, which I've used a ton of, as you can see. And now we're going to contour our nose. Who needs a nose job when you can just contour your nose? It doesn't make sense, right? Unless you have like a massive beak, and I guess I would understand why someone would want to, get a nose job. So I'm just making 2 lines down my nose and bringing it down, and now I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending out those harsh lines so it fades in and doesn't look too obvious. Now we are taking any white powder and placing it the highlights and the bridge of our nose and put a little bit on my forehead as well. And I'm setting a little bit on my eyelids because it felt a little bit wet. You guys don't have to do this, it's definitely optional, but I like to set my eyelids with a little bit of powder. And of course I brushed it off before I went in with this color. This is a very light nude shade. You want to place it in your crease, blend it out really well, blend a lot, blend for your life. Is that what Miss RuPaul says? Blend something for your... Oh, no. Wait, what did she say? I can't remember. If you guys remember, put it in my comments. For your life. Okay, sis. I'm showing you guys a picture of Kim K's look right now so you can see she has a little bit of a brown maroon tint in her eyeshadow, so we're going to go in with a little bit of orange, like this burnt orange right here from my Morphe 35 palette, and blending that in the crease as well to add more depth. It is so cute. You guys love it, right? And I'm going to take this maroon burgundy color, placing it at the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to put it in the inner corner as well. Now this makes a illusion that our eyelids is kind of popping in the center, so we're making more of a like an eye socket type of shading. We're going to deepen that area right there. Because I have flat eyelids, I gotta make sure I have a ton of dimension going on my face, which is why I do all of this extra work. And now we're gonna put a little bit of powder, clean up the edges right here so it looks nice and sharp. I'm going back in with that nice brown color we used earlier and placing it on our lower lash line. Make sure you blend that really well so it looks faded and cohesive. And we're going to brush away this little powder. I know I'm a little bit all over the place, but that's just who I am as a person. Now we're taking that maroon burgundy from my Tartelette palette and adding that to our lower lash line. Going in with my pineapple of my eye palette, I'm taking this pretty shimmery color, placing it on this little brush with water, and bam! Can you guys believe the shimmer that is coming out of this shadow? Unbelievable. It looks so gorgeous. And what you want to do is just tap this in the center, pack it on as much as you can, and then you want to go back in with your finger and blend out the edges. Nothing works better than your fingers. Blend it out really good, guys. See that? Bam. Ta-da! I don't know what I was saying there, sorry. Now I'm going in with my Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is with a felt tip. It's not the best eyeliner. I don't recommend it, really. But I had it there, so I was like, well, let me just use this instead of using up my NYC liquid eyeliner that I use every single weekend. Yes, weekend, because I don't use this on the weekday. There's not enough time to make up for my weekday job. And you're gonna make this cute little cat liner, and now I'm gonna put on some fake falsies. Bam! How y'all like that? Now these are some lashes I found on Amazon. I love Amazon for lashes, guys. You can get them in bulk. Definitely get them. This is Big Eyes. I'm quite sure this is by Tarte. It has a super fluffy brush. Works really, really well. And I'm just gonna add that to my real lashes and kind of, you know, make it blend in together. That way it doesn't look like there's a separation between my falsies and my real lashes. Yes, girl. We're going in with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, placing this in our waterline. This is not the best eyeliner. If you guys have a darker one you recommend, please let me know. I am going to take, I believe, let me see. This is Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes. This is in a dark brown because I don't have black. I would have used black if I had it on me, but I didn't. So I'm using a dark brown, but black would have been perfect for my look. So I'm just going in with this and just making it a little bit darker. And now we're going in with some peachy pink blush by Flower Pots PB2. I'm just gonna place this just a little bit on my cheek. She didn't have much. She had a little bit on her cheeks, which was super cute. Added some color. And now we are going to our lips. So guys, I'm taking this True Brown K Kylie lip liner and outlining my lips. And you guys are gonna see that I couldn't make up my mind on what color my lips should be. I was trying to mix the perfect color, same as Kim K in her picture, but it was a little bit hard. So I realized I put a little bit too much lip liner on, which I then placed Really Gloss by Kris Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics. And I placed this on, and I pretty much blended this together, but I didn't really like it, so I decided to take most of it off, and then go back in with a different product. We're taking, what is this called? Yep, this pink one. Get this pink light color and put this on top and see if you guys like that. What do you guys think? Oh no, I'm not really feeling that one. So I took off that pink and I put a little bit of Damn Gina and Clo Money on instead. So this is Clo Money right here, and the other one was Damn Gina. I feel like this shading is a little bit better. So that's what I did. And here is my hair and finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and catch me in my next one. Love you guys.